Hi there, I'm Viji from Tiju's Academy. Today we are going to look at the phrase call it a wash, also said as alternatively it is a wash. Before proceeding further, let us go and look at an OET extract. Human-animal interaction has been a subject of intense research for over the past few decades, and Professor Molly Grossman has done considerable research on the matter. Yet, according to her, the evidence is a wash. Now, whenever we say something is a wash, it implies that the status quo is maintained. Or in other words, it means there is no net profit or no net loss. In other words, we can understand that one side has no clear advantage over the other. Let us clearly understand this with an example. You won the first game and I won the second game. So it is clearly a wash. It implies that no side has any clear advantage. I hope this video was quite useful to you all. For more useful content, keep watching Tiju's Academy. Urappana Vijayam.